everybody, this is Tanya from Firefly Berries, and this is Twinkle, one of our 3 black cats. We're coming to you all today to kind of touch base about the season ahead and to let you know of some exciting things that we have planned. We know that many of you really love and appreciate coming out to our farm to pick berries and to have fun with your family, but we decided as a family, everybody got a vote because everybody works here. We decided to not be open to protect both our family's health and also our customers. So in light of that, we are going to do some other fun things this summer. We have planned that we are going to do hopefully weekly video logs that we'll post here on YouTube so you can see what's going on around the farm. We're also going to be doing online ordering. We will have strawberries, already picked strawberries available for our customers to order online and then pick up. We'll have 3 pickup days throughout the week. All that information can be found on our website, which we will link down below in the description box for you to find all those details of when you can order and when we will be having pickup times. So we will have strawberries, just in a different way. Another interesting thing and fun thing that we hope to have added is that as it gets closer to strawberry season, we hope to do some videos with our family and post here on YouTube of different fun foods you can make with strawberries. So maybe instead of planning a trip out to pick strawberries, you can plan to come purchase some already picked strawberries from us and then have a day at home where you make jam together or you bake a special dessert together or some other fun activities so that strawberries and fresh local produce are still a part of your summer activities. I think that's it for now. I'm gonna sign off, and we have been taking some video footage over the past week or so here out at the farm that I'm gonna include in this video and show you what we've been up to and kind of where the plants are at. So thanks so much for remembering Firefly Berries and for supporting our local family-owned business. The dandelions are in full bloom and we are making dandelion soup today. I am about to head inside and put all these lovely dandelions my kids helped me pick into a big pot and make some dye to dye some yarn. So about 4 years ago, I started to dye yarn, mostly wool, also some mohair silk, but natural fibers I dye naturally with plants that we grow. Now, many people think that I dye it with berries, but actually the only berries, there are two berries that hold color on yarn for me, and that would be elderberries and pokeweed berries. Otherwise, what I mostly use are flowers, yellow and red onion skins. I sometimes use roots or tree bark. For the vast majority of what I dye, I use flowers. So I just wanted to share what I'm knitting on a sweater right now that is with actually 4 colors. I don't have the 4th color sitting here, but this one is kind of hard to see. It's kind of blowing out, but it's a very light green color, and it is dyed with lilacs, so my purple lilac flowers. This one is a really bright kind of orange color. This one is dyed with coreopsis flowers or tick seed. And then I have this lilac kind of purpley color that I dye with 2 extracts that I purchase. So a few of the natural dyes that I can't grow I purchase. And this one is dyed with cochineal, which is actually a bug that is farmed sustainably in South America, and I get it crushed up. It's a very ancient natural dye that was used by the Mayas and the Incas a very long time ago to get red. But I use cochineal, and then I also use logwood, which comes in bark form. It's a tree that grows in Mexico and South America as well, and then I turn that into a liquid extract, which I dye, so I combine to make that one. And this is the sweater I'm making. So if anybody in our shop online, we also sell yarn besides produce, and these are on the DK Tweed base. This one's called Spring Lilacs, this one's called Fairy Gardens, this one's called Pumpkin, and then I also am doing this really dark color. This is called Minnesota Northwoods, and that one is dyed with yellow onion skins and then over dyed in indigo. So it's that basic color theory. If you have yellow and you dip it in blue, you end up with green. So it's very pretty. So I am making, this is a very fun sweater I've been wanting to make for a long time. It is called the Soldotna Crop, and it is by Caitlin Hunter. This pattern is on Ravelry, but it's a stranded colorwork yoke sweater. And I'm having a great time knitting it. I'm almost done. It's a short sleeve sweater, and the pattern calls for it to be cropped, but I'm making it a little bit longer so that it will be more versatile for me to wear with jeans. So I just wanted to share that with you. Throughout these vlogs in the next weeks here, I will, I'm sure, add in little snippets of information about my natural dyeing and also about my knitting, because that is a part of Firefly Berries and what we do out here.